So that thing is 13 feet. The actual adult would be 40.
Dinosaur Ridge is a segment of the Dakota Hogback in the Morrison Fossil Area National Natural Landmark, located in Jefferson County, Colorado, near the town of Morrison and just west of Denver. The Dinosaur Ridge area is one of the world's most famous dinosaur fossil localities.
This is the Colorado State Fossil.
Yeah.
In 1877, some of the best-known dinosaurs were found here, including the Stegosaurus, the Apatosaurus, and the Allosaurus. The exhibits for Dinosaur Ridge are located along a closed section of West Alameda Avenue. The route climbs about 200 feet, about 61 meters from the museum, to the high point along the ridge
The
backbone.
Massachusetts Institute of Technology.
The volcanic ash bed located in Dinosaur Ridge is believed to be around 100.56
Besides
million
that,
years ago,
a large
around the
body shaped like a bowl is
Cretaceous
a principal
period.
structure formed when minerals grow cement and sand. Got close to that volcanic ash, no sé cómo se veía. Bien, bien.
Underwater.
Yeah, I mean, we were near an ocean. Like the whole United States was submerged in an ocean.
Yeah.
Like Salt Lake City, that was a lake, that was a salt, and then yeah, just like in Bolivia, you know, there was an ocean. All right, we're right next to the dinosaur tracks. Seems like yeah, well, bipeds.
These dinosaur traces belong to the Allosaurus.
Take us, please. What habitat was here? So, haz así.
Dinosaur Ridge is the perfect location for dinosaur
Hello, how you
lovers
doing?
and everybody that is interested in geology. Dinosaur Ridge is one of those magical places that will stay embedded into your memory forever, and is definitely worth visiting at least once in your lifetime.
Placenteras. That's a crocodile right there. Oh, look. Pull back. Way better than.
Yeah, the crane rod.
Like it's over here. Oh, you know. But you know.
How'd it come out?
Yeah.
Show it to the people.